Hello children, good morning. Welcome back to Ojas International School online learning material. How are you all? I hope you are fit and fine. Children, have you seen anybody throwing stones at the animals or birds? Is it a good manner? No, it is very bad manner. Because they can't speak and tell that they are in pain, as they have no language. We should not harm any animals or birds. Children, I will ask one question to you. Do you like it if anybody harms you? Obviously not. In the same manner, in the same way, birds and animals also don't like anybody harming them. And if we harm them, God will punish us. Here, we will see the story of a boy who steals eggs from a nest. And God punishes him. So children, from this story we can learn the moral of that never hurt animals and birds as well as human beings. Now let's enjoy the story line to line. Children, you are requested to open your textbook, page number 37. Lesson number 4, The Thief. Nests for birds are like houses for men. Eggs for birds are like little babies for men. How would we feel if someone stole our babies? Birds feel the same way if we steal their eggs. Never do that. God will punish you if you do that. Understand, children? Now put your fingers on your line. It was a Sunday morning. After breakfast, Manu walked out of his house. He walked across the fields to the river. Sunday morning, Manu walked out of his house and he walked across to the field to the river. Now come on children, page number 38. On the river bank there was a big mango tree. Manu climbed up the tree. He saw a bird's nest. It was at the end of a branch. Now there he saw that a big mango tree and he climbed up on the tree, and he also saw a bird's nest there, and it was end of the branches. The branch was high above the water. Manu saw 2 brown eggs in the nest. Now on that branch there was a nest, and in that nest there are 2 brown eggs. He took the eggs and put them in his pocket. Now Manu has took that 2 eggs and put in his pocket. Then he started climbing down. He put his foot on the branch below, but he slipped and fell into the river. As he was climbing down, his leg slipped and fell into the river. Now children, come on page number 39. Now in the river there was a big crocodile. It caught Manu's leg. Manu gave a cry of pain. The crocodile pulled him down under water. No sound came out of Manu's mouth. Now in that river there was a big crocodile, and that crocodile caught Manu's leg. Now that crocodile caught Manu's leg. That's why Manu gave a big cry of pain. And crocodile pulled him down under water. Now Manu can't speak a single word. The crocodile pulled Manu down and down and down. Now the crocodile pulled Manu's leg inside. At last Manu saw a big palace. An angry king sat on a throne. "You are a thief," said the king. "You stole the poor bird's leg. I will punish you." Now at that time Manu saw a big place, and in that palace there was a king sat on a throne, and that king told Manu that he was a thief. That's why that king punishes him. Now children, come on page number 40. Manu trembled in fear. Now Manu is trembling. He couldn't speak a word. He can't speak a single word. Oh, means he wants to speak a crocodile, said the king. "Give this thief 20 lashes on his back with your tail." Now that king told crocodile to give him 20 lashes on his back with your tail. The crocodile moved forward. It lifted its tail to strike at Manu's back. Now that crocodile started beat him. A sharp cry came out of Manu's mouth. At that time Manu was crying loudly. Just then Manu woke up. After that Manu woke up and he think that it was only a dream. That is not a reality, but it was a dream. But children, you also learn that you never hurt any animals or bird. Understand children? Goodbye.